I'm Jessica Tucker, the Clinical Nutrition Manager at Milford Regional Medical Center. Today we're going to teach you a new game day fix. Everyone loves buffalo chicken, and buffalo chicken dip is a great hit at football games. But it's usually loaded with fat, loaded with sodium, and you usually serve it with chips. So today we're going to make an alternative. This is the buffalo chicken dip, the skinny version. So what we're going to start with, we have 3 cups of shredded chicken, and you could bake off some chicken breasts in the oven. You could even get a rotisserie chicken at the supermarket to make it easier and just shred it up. But it's pretty quick and easy to do it yourself. So we're going to throw that into the bowl. So some of our substitutions, we're going to use low-fat cream cheese instead of the full fat, less total fat, less saturated fat. Throw that in. And then we're going to use Greek yogurt. Usually you can use sour cream in the regular version, but Greek yogurt adds a little bit more protein and less fat. Part skim mozzarella and low-fat blue cheese. And of course, the Frank's Red Hot. So we're going to add a half a cup of this. And once this is all mixed up, we're going to throw it into a little pan. And I like to keep less dishes in the house, so just reuse my chicken pan. So mix this all up. And then we're going to throw it in here. And if you wanted to do it in the crock pot, you could throw all of this in the crock pot and just put it on low and have it ready to go when the big game starts. Or throw it on high if you're in a pinch and you want it done quickly. You can throw this in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350, and you have your skinny buffalo chicken dip. And we like to serve it with some fresh veggies to get a little bit more veggies and less fat from the chips. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you again to make your recipes more healthy.